So hello everyone. Today our topic is library management system. We have implemented in C using Doubly linked list by myself, Krishna Rathod, and my partner Arnav Mahajan. Next. Uh, so हम कभी भी हमारे आसपास के लाइब्रेरीज में जाते हैं तो काफी ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल टाइप की होती है. So we have used this like digital catalog type. This project serves as a digital solution to manage library resources efficiently. We have used doubly linked list that provides additions, deletions, and also supports search and update operations. And it is quite user friendly. The main purpose is to manage a digital catalog of books efficiently. The main advantage is the system eliminates the need for static arrays and allows efficient insertion and deletion of book records. That is because of doubly linked list structure. Next. So our main aim or goal is to create, to read, to update, and to delete, which ensures complete lifecycle management of every book in the catalog. It also additionally adds title or author or by using genre substring matching. Okay. So it generates reports like total number of books available versus issued copies, total catalog value, and also helps in decision making and data tracking. Next. So why data structures? We have used doubly linked list purposely. So first is to provide dynamic memory allocation. हम कोई भी बुक कहाँ से भी मतलब फिक्स नहीं होता तो हम कहाँ से भी कोई भी बुक उठा सकते हैं. So that's why it's called dynamic memory allocation. Second, it enables efficient insertion and deletion anywhere in the catalog. The third is to it supports bidirectional traversal. It means we can go through from back and also come from the front. And the fourth is ideal for applications requiring frequent record updates like this library systems. Next. So further, will explain my partner the core functionalities. Arnav Mahajan.
Hi. Uh, uh, about the core functionality, so the structure that we are using, the book record, and this is the backbone of the project. This is the actual book that is being stored inside the data inside the linked list node, right? So it has various attributes such as catalog ID, title, author, etc., which a normal book has, as well as there is the next and previous pointers that point to the next node of our linked list. The search functions. So for any consumer to actually use the library system, he needs to search for the book. So we have three functions. There is a search by title, search by author, and search by genre. Each of these use the partial matching between user's search text and the book's title. So these methods can be called with the parameters title, author, and genre. So user can find their desired book. If a book does not exist and the user is trying to find it, we have implemented proper validations so that our program prints an error in such case that a book with that specific parameter is not available. Display order, this is where the doubly linked list shines, right? Because inside a singly linked list we can only traverse from head to tail and we cannot traverse in a reverse order. But inside doubly linked list, since we already hold the pointer to the last book, we can now print, that is we can basically show our books in the statistics in both the orders as they were added, as well as by the their least I mean their most recent view. So in both cases we can show them. Okay. Issue and return book. So this is the main thing about a library management system. A consumer needs to issue and return the book, right? So first of all, we do find that author using the search function by title, author, or catalog ID, and we get this current book. And depending upon the choice, that is the issue or return, we are going to update the current available copies that are available for that specific book. So we use simple if-else statements inside this for that. So you can see the code as presented. That is, we are issuing the book as well as we are returning. Again, all the validations are taken care of, such as if a book is not present or it is absent, you cannot issue it. Or if you never issued a book, right, you cannot return it. You're trying to return. So such cases are handled gracefully. Library statistics, finally, for the librarian who's sitting there, he does need the statistics of the library, such as what is the total count of books at current time, and what is the current catalog value, right? How much worth of books we are currently holding, total number of physical copies, total number of available copies, and so forth. The parameters are listed on the slide. uh, that's what our thing was, the library management system. I'll call upon Krishna to conclude this presentation.
So the conclusion is very clear. It should be logical and practical understanding of linked lists. The second is designing menu-driven interfaces like ensured input validation and clear prompts for user actions. And third is applying structs and pointers in real-world scenarios like book record and pointers like next and previous, and demonstrate real-world application of C programming concepts. Next, these are the references, the books, the online resources, and the documentation we have used to make this presentation. In the last slide, that is thank you.
If you have any questions, you can please ask us.
Yeah, please do.
How does the system keep data accurate when a user issues or returns a book?
So we have implemented validations for this. We are checking that if a particular book that is being issued, if it has been issued, we first of all check that. Now, if a book has not even been issued to a customer, you cannot try to return it, right? So these are some of the validations. We first of all also do check that the total copies that we have inside our catalog, if they are greater than equal to zero. If not, we cannot really issue a new book. So all of these cases we have handled perfectly.
And what are the future improvements you are thinking to add to it to add a better value?
Krishna, would you like to take this one?
Yeah. So I had add file handling to save the library data permanently, and maybe build a simple GUI so it's more user friendly or for librarians.
Any more questions?
Okay, so question from my side is, why did you go with doubly linked list?
So basically, we did not go for an array. This is because array is basically it is a data structure that uses contiguous memory. So if I wanted to efficiently insert and delete my book records, I would have to shift all the elements inside the array for each insertion and deletion. That would be really very inefficient. Also, array is basically it's a static data structure. So once if I would define a size for my book, it would stay in that size and I would not be able to dynamically add or delete. So that's why dynamic linked list was a better choice. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is our code for the library management system. I've already made a few entries, but let's start by making a fresh one. So uh, it will prompt me to enter the title. So I'll give some title. Okay, the author name can be anything. I'll give some random ISBN number, genre, and this can be anything, say adventure. Publication year can be anything, let's say 2012. Price for the book, I can assign anything, and the total number of copies that we are going to add to our library. Right. So automatically a unique ID has been also generated, which starts from 1,000 itself. So currently we have 3 books inside our library, unique books. So let us view these statistics, or let's just go ahead and print all of these. So I'll display all these books. So yeah. No, actually, first of all, I'll show you the 9, that is the statistics, right? So these are the total books, that is by title that we have got. Basically this, and this amount is what all of these books are worth, right? So now I'll remove a book. Okay, so let's remove a book. So let me now just remove one of the book from the catalog, right? So I'll remove the second, I'll remove a book. So it will ask me for the catalog ID, which was generated. So I'll remove a book and you can see a certain book was removed. We can check check this, you can verify this by taking a look at statistics again, and you can see that the number of books have decreased. Okay. So there are further features such as searching by title, searching by author, and genre. So I'll demonstrate one of these. So let me search by title. So it will ask me to enter the title. Let me verify what one of the previously
James.
entered titles, right? So
James.
James is a valid title. I believe I have removed James. Just a second. Right. So James has been removed. So Arnav is the correct
Now,
one. Uh, so yeah, it will show me the entry of that specific book along with its details. Right. So the author as well as the genre functions are going to work in similar manner. This is going to display all of the current books in uh, basically left to right traversal from head to tail. Since I have only one book, it's going to show that book itself. The reverse works in similar manner, but in reverse order. So now I would like to, issue a book. So I'll start with uh, issuing it. So I'll go with my option number 8. And now basically I would go for the catalog ID, which is going to be this. So now I have option. If a librarian wants to issue the book, he wants to return the book. Basically, if somebody is coming to librarian, that is going to manage this, and I can also update it to the number of copies if I've got a new stock. So in this example, I'll go with issue, right? So cool. The book has been issued now, and total available copies in the stock are 19. So I've covered all the features in the code. That's it. Thank you.
any questions, guys?
Yeah, so I have a question. What are some of the future enhancements that you would like to make to this project?
Well, we can do GUI based, and we can also add more authentication like OTP and email using AWS features. And also we can, for more security, we can also do image steganography, which ensures that the only that particular user is only logging in and casting his vote.
All right. So, how do you think your project is, better than, or what problem does your project solve that the current, electronic e-voting systems are lacking in what area?
In current system, like there are faults. A particular person is voting toward multiple times, more than one time. So we are using hash sets. So this ensures that there is no duplicate element or duplicate entries. So only one person can vote a single time.
All right. Krishna, you have any questions?
Yes, this question is to Harshit. Harshit, what is dataset? What dataset have you used and why?
So basically, my whole code is based on three types of data structures. The main three types of data structures which are being used are hash map, hash set, and queues. Okay. So basically, hash maps are used for efficient storage of whatever data is being received of user and whatever user credentials like login data or passwords or their login, basically. So it usually hash map gives a fast lookup towards their credentials, and hash sets are used to ensure that there are no duplicate data, as Jeet said, that it will ensure that some one person can't vote for two to three times. So queues are basically used to maintain a fair and FIFO rule, basically. First come, first serve order during the voting process. So these are my three basic data structures.
Okay.
Okay,
Any more questions, guys?
No, that's it
No.
from our side.
Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you.